Hi friends, welcome to engineering project. So today we are here with a new project, that is floor cleaning robot. I'm switching on the supply. You can see. Welcome to floor cleaner. It is connecting to Wi-Fi. It is an IoT device. So it is also showing the IP address, and we have made an application for it, and we can turn on oblique off the vehicle using the application. Once I switch on the button, you can see that vehicle turns on. Once I off it, the vehicle offs. So let's see the working of it. Now I am switching on the vehicle, giving the power supply. You can see that vehicle turned on and it is cleaning. It completely cleans. It avoids the obstacles. And we can on oblique off the device using the application. Off it, the device got turned off. You can see the device off, and the distance it is covered is 35 centimeters. Thank you.